Caramel crunchy cake, one of the best cakes, so easy and so delicious. You will love the way we do it. Let's do the most amazing cake you ever seen with surprise inside and really tasty. You can introduce it to your guest, to your friend, to loved one, and everybody will be crazy about this cake. Let's start. First, I have 100 gram sugar without any water, just caramelized. Then I added 100 gram of almond roasted. Then I mix it and I keep it in silbachi tea caramelized. After set, I can just cut it with the knife, chopped little chunks, and will be the amazing crunchy feeling. And then bring normal sponge cake. And if you don't have the recipe, I will leave you the link below how to do it. Is 8 eggs, 2 cup of flour, and 2 cup of sugar, 1 cup of sugar. Then we cut the cake 3 layer, and then we have 1 piece of carton. The best way to make any cake to fill it in the same mold. Here is the syrup, and then chocolate cream, just whipping cream, and added cacao as much as you can. Then you pour in top the crunchy, tasty almond, then another layer of white sponge. Some people will have amazing taste if they do it with white sponge, not with the chocolate sponge. And we added the rest of the caramelized almond, and this is so yummy. Regarding the whipping cream, you just 500 gram whipping cream, 100 gram sugar, you whip it, and then you added 100 gram cacao. It's so simple recipe and so delicious. You can see we cover it with the cream and keep it in the freezer for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I cover it with ganache. If you want the recipe of milk ganache, I will leave it in description link below. You cover all the cake, and then as you see, you just clean the edges, make it all smooth, sharp edge, and then you piping with piping back. Here we go. What we do now is just in microwave melted lotus spread and just added on top of the cake. That's it. And then you have your imagination. You can do the decoration you want. You can add it some nuts, chocolate garnish, name it. Whatever you want to decide to make the cake, or you can write happy birthday or congratulations, happy anniversary. The decoration is all yours. I just added the simple one. Here we go. Bon appetit for you and all your friends.